Hi guys, I'm Tero. Welcome to my garage. In this video I'll be going through the building process of this unique e-bike. The first step was to install the geared rear hub motor and a quadrature type pedal assist sensor. The motor controller enclosure was built from polycarbonate sheet and aluminum. Battery connectors were placed on top of the enclosure. The motor controller used is well overrated for this project, and thus it does not need a heatsink. The controller board is coated to withstand moisture and dirt as the enclosure is not fully sealed. The battery pack enclosure was also built from polycarbonate sheet. It can be bent as cold and also welded. Although the welded joints did not come out very smooth, they still keep the water out. To build the battery pack, I had first built a spot welder. It uses 12-volt lead-acid batteries as its power source and controls the welding pulse using high-current MOSFETs. After some practice, I learned to build the pack successfully. The BMS board has two buttons to control the battery discharge output on and off. This BMS board does not have integrated MOSFETs, so I placed them on a simple board below the batteries. A Bluetooth connection was provided to read the individual cell voltages. A charger was also developed during this project. It's a simple synchronous boost converter with an OLED display. I'm powering the charger from a 12-volt solar system, but I also have an old laptop power supply available to power it. Finally, I was ready to develop software for the motor controller. I used Infineon's BLDC's Color Hall example project as the basis and added pedal assist sensor control, power limit and speed limit into it. After a lot of testing, some effort was left to make the bike look decent. The result is a slim e-bike that can well be driven also without electrical power, as the motor has a freewheel. Thanks for watching and check out the links for more details. Happy building!